Digvijay Singh ji, we come to you from Gwalior, from another house in mourning, from another family that believes that their loved one has not died a natural death. Just before this, I interviewed Ashish Chaturvedi, one of the 4 whistleblowers. He says he believes he will be the next mysterious death in quotes. Your reactions to what the whistleblower is now saying?
Well, Barkha, it's my condolence to the family where you are. Please convey my condolence to Dr. Arya's family. The issue is quite simple. On very innocuous cases, the state government has referred the cases to this for CBI inquiry. But why are they fighting shy of handing over this investigation to CBI? This is a huge, it's a very big case, and more than 2,000 arrests have been made. 500 people are absconding. I don't know, but 45, 46 people seem to have died mysteriously, not because of any ailment. And still the Chief Minister refuses to accept a CBI investigation. Not only him, but every political leader, BJP leader from Madhya Pradesh is refusing a CBI probe. I'm really concerned about Ashish Chaturvedi. He's a very brave boy. He's an exceedingly brave boy. He's been beaten up so many times, been threatened so many times. But he doesn't have a scooter or a motorcycle. One of the most honest person I've seen in my life. Now, how can he defend himself?
Digvijay Singh ji, in fact, he moves around on his cycle, and he was telling me that the police officer who follows him also on a cycle deliberately doesn't give him security.
There you are. Now, why can't Shivraj be more sensitive? Why can't the BJP government be more sensitive? We don't want to politicize the issue. Barkha, let me tell you one thing. It's a humanitarian case also. More than 2,000 students and their parents are behind bars. Their crime was that they believed the middlemen and paid to get into the medical college or get jobs. Now people who have paid money are behind bars, but people who have taken money are still not been booked. Now this is something which which you are missing the point. At the same time, as far as these deaths are concerned, I have no evidence, but I have no faith in this special task force of Madhya Pradesh, because they are all police officers who are on a collection binge. Anyone they can approach and say, "Tumhara naam Vyapam mein hai, itna paisa lao." Narendra Tomar family, they complained that a deputy SP, they named the deputy SP with the STF, that he was demanding 7 lakhs. What action has been taken by Shivraj Singh and by the chief of the STF against that deputy SP? And he's a healthy young man, complains of a stomachache and dies the next morning. Now Akshay, he met me the day before he was leaving, had half an hour, 45-minute chat, and a young, healthy young man, he froths in the mouth and collapses in 2 minutes. I've never heard of such kind of heart attack. And also one Anand Advocate, he was also one of the initial whistleblower advocate. He never had a heart problem. He similarly collapsed one day and heart attack and died. Now, what do I do with this,
Digvijay Singh ji,
situation?
Digvijay Singh
Can't I demand an independent CBI probe?
Digvijay Singh ji, in fact, the house where I'm sitting in Gwalior is Dr. Arya's house. The family just refuses to actually believe at all. And you know, in fact, I will just ask, this is Usha here and Premlata here. And if I'm just going to Digvijay Singh ji, I want you to hear a little bit of what they are saying. And because we've been asking them, Digvijay Singh ji, and this will interest you, we've been asking them whether they believe that Dr. Arya died in natural circumstances. And I want to just ask them what they think. और उषा जी, यहाँ पर दिग्विजय सिंह जी हैं, कांग्रेस के नेता, दूसरी साइड आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं. आपके पति, हमारी पहले तो कंडोलेंसेस, हमारी प्रार्थनाएं, पिछले हफ्ते ही वो एकदम से उनकी डेथ हो गई. ये स्टेट वाले कहते हैं कि वो बीमार थे इसलिए वो मर गए. तो आप इसमें आप क्या कहेंगे? आपको लगता है कि वो बीमार थे? नहीं बीमार बिल्कुल नहीं. एक दिन फीवर आया, एक दिन आओ यहाँ आगे आओ. एक दिन हमारा एडमिट रखाया,
उसके बाद तो उन्हें मतलब रिपोर्ट के लिए बताया तो उसमें पीलिया आया था थोड़ा, पीलिया भी कोई ज़्यादा पॉइंट से नहीं था, तो पीलिया में कोई इतनी जल्दी थोड़ी कोई ख़त्म होता है।
हाँ।
अच्छे खासे शाम को उन्होंने खाना खाया, दिन में भी खाया है, फ्रूट्स भी खाए, अच्छे रहे थे। बस
ये लोग कहते हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाले कि उनको किडनी फेलियर हो गया था।
सब झूठ बोलते हैं,
मतलब सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं, ये गलत है जी, नहीं है। हम उनके साथ में आते हैं,
पूरा वर्ष हम लोग साथ में ही थे। ये तो ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है, किडनी फेल कैसे हो जाएगी?
रात में अच्छे खाना पीना खाया है, अच्छे से खाना मैंने अपने हाथ से खिलाया है, सब कुछ।
पुलिस वाले
पूरा सब झूठा रोग लगा रहे हैं। पुलिस वाले बहुत तंग करते थे, बहुत ज्यादा उनको परेशान करते थे।
पुलिस वाले बहुत तंग करते हैं, किस चीज के लिए तंग करते थे?
किस लिए मांग करते थे? पैसे में मांग करते थे बहुत ज्यादा। और जेल में 6 महीना जेल में भी रखा था, जेल से बाहर आ गए, कोई कुछ नहीं था उनके पास, उनका शिकायत
तो लेटर भेजते थे यहाँ पर घर पे कि आपको ऑफिस में बुलाया जाए।
एक मिनट, एक एक करके बोलो। सबसे पहले मैं उषा जी आपसे पूछूंगी, आप कह रहे हैं पुलिस वाले जो STF है जो इसमें इंक्वायरी करे थे, उन्होंने आपसे पैसे मांगे, मतलब रिश्वत मांगी?
रिश्वत मांगते थे।
हाँ?
ये नहीं पता है, आप जी देखें आते कि नहीं जी, हमको नहीं पता। मांगते थे, पैसे मांगते थे, बहुत सारे पैसे मांगते थे।
आप क्या कह रही है कि ऐसे रिश्वत खोरी थी?
हाँ, मांगते थे पैसे और दे के भी आए थे वो एक दिन बाद। इन्होंने हमें बताया भी था कि ये टेंशन में रहते हैं, हमेशा बार बार जी पुलिस वाले पैसा मांगते थे और लेटर भी भेजते थे, कहते थे कि आपकी प्रति ये कार्रवाई हो जाएगी।
फोन भी कर करके बुलाते थे,
इस तरह से टॉर्चर।
उन्होंने बोला पैसे दीजिए नहीं तो वो दोबारा जेल जाएंगे।
हाँ, ये
तो आप क्या चाहते हैं? आप जो इतने बड़ा ये मामला बन गया है व्यापम को लेके और तरह तरह की इस तरह की मिस्टीरियस डेथ्स, हत्याएं हो रही हैं, उसमें आपके भी पति शामिल हैं उषा जी। आप कहते हैं पुलिस वाले ने आपसे रिश्वत मांगी, आपने कभी उनके बारे में किसी को कंप्लेन किया?
नहीं, कंप्लेंट नहीं
किया। क्यों नहीं किया आप लोगों ने कंप्लेन?
नहीं, मतलब अपने जैसे कुछ ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती तो बताते नहीं थे। यूँ मुझे सोचते फैमिली में बताएंगे, बच्चों पर असर पड़ेगा, इन पे असर पड़ेगा, तो कुछ तो वो अपने अंदर ही मतलब रखते थे टेंशन।
अब वो इस घोटाले में एक आरोपी थे, तो पुलिस वाले किस चीज के लिए रिश्वत मांग रहे थे? आपको लगता है कि एक तरह से लोग चाहते हैं कि जो ऊपर जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं उनका सच ना निकल के आए?
हाँ,
यही मैन है,
मतलब अपने आरोप छुपाने के लिए छोटे लोगों को मोहरा बना लेते हैं,
छोटे लोगों को मोहरा बना लेते हैं।
इसीलिए इनकी मतलब पता नहीं क्या कर देते और खत्म हो रहे हैं।
अब आप लोग क्या, अभी यहाँ इंक्वायरी तो हो रही है, आप CBI का प्रोब चाहेंगे? क्या चाहेंगे? CBI. Now, Digvijay Singh ji, I thought you may want to hear this family, and they are saying the police has asked them for bribes. They do not believe Dr. Arya died naturally. They're saying he had a mild fever, and they are saying that constantly they're being harassed by the police and they want a CBI probe.
Well, Barkha, this is something which I have been saying from day one. Unfortunately, neither the government listens, the government of Madhya Pradesh doesn't listen. The judiciary has so much of confidence on the Madhya Pradesh special task force, and they are on a money collecting binge throughout the state. They can approach anyone, तुम्हारा नाम व्यापन में आ रहा है, लाओ पैसे लाओ. This is what is happening, and no one is prepared to listen. That's my grouse. I am extremely grateful to you that you are doing ground reporting from Gwalior. You will find innumerable cases like this. I get these complaints almost on a daily basis, but what do? That's my problem. That's why I have been telling Shivraj, please give it to CBI. Why are you unnecessarily getting involved in this?
Digvijay Singh ji, Shivraj Chauhan says it's a court monitored probe. If the court wants to hand it to CBI, it will.
Barkha, I have been a chief minister for 10 years. If the chief minister is honest, he could have recommended the case to the government of India. There was no need for anyone to go to the court. No one needs a court order to recommend a case to CBI for CBI inquiry to the government of India. Even today, if he is serious, if he wants an impartial probe, he just have to ask his Advocate General and request the High Court Chief Justice who is monitoring the case that please refer this case to Government of India for CBI probe. We want this to be probed by CBI. The case will be handed over to CBI. In fact, there is no need to go to the court also. If I understand a little bit of law and the government functioning, he just has to write a letter to the Prime Minister or to the Home Minister to say that I need a CBI probe. I strongly recommend a CBI probe, and the government of India has to concur. Also, the third alternative is I have filed a PIL petition for a CBI probe monitored by the Supreme Court. The Council for Madhya Pradesh government has stand up and say, yes, we agree to this. The whole case can be immediately handed over to the CBI. Why Shivraj Singh Chauhan, why the whole BJP establishment, the party and the government opposing a CBI probe? Now they can't give also allege that there is a government, the government is run by Congress party, UPA, and they can influence the probe. But don't they have confidence in their own Prime Minister who's heading the CBI, who's handling the CBI? Where is the problem?
Now, Digvijay Singh ji, one of the comments made by Ashish Chaturvedi, whom you just praised as a brave whistleblower, he actually told me a very interesting thing. He said that when he first started exposing this scam, he was told in a colloquial way कि इस कुएं में भांग घुली हुई है, अब तुम भी नशा ले लो.
You know, all these people who have been raising issues of Vyapan have been taken care of by the administration. So now this was a way of telling Ashish कि तुम भी भाई पैसा दिला लेके चुप बैठ जाओ. But you know, Ashish, therefore I say, is a brave and an honest fellow. He didn't succumb to the temptation and to the offers of bribe by the people who matter.
But can I ask you, Ashish also said that while more BJP leaders have skeletons in their cupboard because they've been in power for the last 10 years, he believes some Congress leaders will also be implicated in this scam if it actually is revealed in full truth. So are you ready for that? Are you ready to accept that this could also throw up Congress names?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Even if it means Digvijay Singh is also a party to this, you send Digvijay Singh to jail also. If anyone, whether it's Congress, BJP, Samajwadi, whoever, non-political, whoever, IAS, IPS, anyone in the judiciary, anyone who's involved in this must pay for this.
So you're ready for the Congress leadership to also be investigated as part of this CBI probe?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask you a last question. Kailash Vijayvargiya has apologized to Akshay's family for mocking his death. When he mocked his death, Shivraj Singh Chauhan was standing right next to him. Do you believe this apology is good enough?
And smiling, both of them smiling.
Yes.
This is the this is height of brazenness, aham or ahankar. This is what is reflected from their body language. I strongly condemn it.
Digvijay Singh ji, if a CBI probe is ordered, will the Congress stop asking for Shivraj Singh's resignation? Many Congress leaders are now demanding that he step aside. If a CBI probe is ordered, will that close the Congress protest for this moment?
Well, after Rajnath Singh ji's statement that is only the ministers and the chief ministers in the UPA who resign, the NDA and the BJP ministers don't resign, the chief ministers don't resign. So what do we expect out of this BJP and the NDA government? But look at Mr. Narendra Modi himself. He continued one minister in his cabinet even after he was convicted for 5 years. He continued with another minister, Solanki, when the Supreme Court had said he is a part of the 400 crore fisheries scam in Gujarat. You file an FIR against him. The chief minister defied that order and continued him to be continued in the cabinet. What do we expect from the BJP? We don't expect any kind of this kind of a behavior from the BJP and the NDA, particularly after what Rajnath Singh ji has said.
Do you expect the Prime Minister to speak on this, or do you see this as a state issue?
Are you joking, Barkha?
I'm asking.
Well, you are joking because you know he will not say a word about this.
Well, Digvij Singh ji, I can tell you that being on the ground, there is a lot of disquiet among families like the house where I'm sitting, Dr. Arya's family, and it really seems like it is a multi-layered, complex and now violent scam in which the cover-up has been worse than the crime, like in Watergate. Thank you so much, Digvijay Singh. We'll keep a close eye on this story. We're traveling through the week in Madhya Pradesh.
Thank you, Barka.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Barka. Thank you, Barka, for doing it on the ground job. I'm extremely grateful to you. You're doing a great service to the community and the nation. Thank you.